Hello friends, in this video I show you how to transfer money any UPI ID using HDFC Bank app. Okay, let's see friends, I show you. First friends, you log in HDFC Bank app and click here. And friends, click here send money. And here have three options, UPI ID and send bank account. So friends, I send another UPI ID. I click here UPI. And here first option, here you writing UPI ID, you send who, that person UPI ID you writing here. When you friends UPI ID writing here, this ID have who, that person name automatically detect this app. And here writing amount, so I show you demo, I writing here 100. And here have downside option remark, here just you writing hi and click here, then click here done. So 100 friends transfer ready. You also can very easily send money any UPI ID using HDFC Bank app. If you like this video, like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.